Welcome to Crypto Trade. Our channel is dedicated to the world of cryptocurrency and forex trading. In this video, we're going to be diving into the world of TradingView indicators and strategies. These indicators have proven to be effective in both the cryptocurrency and forex markets and have shown particularly strong performance when used on the 15-minute time frame. We'll start off by showing you how to set up some of the most powerful indicators in the game. We'll also explain how each indicator works and how you can use them to make smarter trades. Next, we'll explain and demonstrate how to place a buy and a sell order, giving you the tools you need to execute your trades with confidence. After that, we'll show you some real-world examples of how you can use this strategy to make profitable trades in the cryptocurrency and forex market. Finally, we'll backtest the strategy 100 times, present and analyze the results. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful trading tips and strategies. We post new videos every week, so make sure to hit that notification bell to stay up to date. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Now, I'm going to show you how to add the first indicator to your chart on TradingView. Open the indicator search bar and type in Darva's box. You'll see the indicator appear in the search results. Simply select it as shown in the video. Now, go to Settings for the Darva's box indicator and switch to the Style tab. In this tab, change the color of TB box line to blue and increase opacity to 100%. Change the color of BB box to yellow and increase opacity to 100%. Click OK to finish setting up Darva's box indicator on your chart. Open again the indicator search bar and type Mavelim. You'll see the indicator appear in the search results. Simply select it as shown in the video. Now, go to Settings for the Mavelim indicator and in Style tab change color 0 to green. Change color 1 to red. Also change color 2 to white. Click OK to finish setting up Mavelim indicator on your chart. To add the third and last indicator to the chart, open again the indicator search bar and type Relative Vigor Index. You'll see the indicator appear in the search results. Simply select it as shown in the video. This indicator will remain in its default settings. Help us reach more traders like yourself by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Your support helps our channel grow and brings valuable content to a wider audience. First of all, let's talk about the Darva's box. This indicator is a technical analysis tool that was developed by Nicholas Darvas, a professional stock trader. The indicator is used to identify potential buy and sell opportunities in stock, forex, or cryptocurrency markets. The Darva's box indicator works by identifying boxes or trading ranges in an asset's price. The indicator is based on the idea that an asset's price will tend to trade within a certain range before breaking out to a new high or low. You can use the Darva's box to identify potential buy and sell opportunities. A buy signal is generated when the asset's price breaks out of a box to the upside, and a sell signal is generated when the asset's price breaks out of a box to the downside. Next up is the Mavelim indicator. This indicator is a technical analysis tool that is used to identify trends and potential buy and sell opportunities in stock, forex, or cryptocurrency markets. The indicator is based on the concept of moving averages, which are used to smooth out price data and help identify trends. Lastly is the Relative Vigor Index, RVI, which is a technical analysis indicator that is used to measure the conviction of a trend. The RVI indicator compares the magnitude of recent gains to recent losses in an attempt to determine whether an asset is trending or not. So why should you consider using these indicators to transform your trading? Here are 5 reasons. These indicators can be used together to provide a more comprehensive view of the market by providing different perspectives on the same data. These indicators can be used on different time frames, allowing traders to analyze the market at different levels of detail and identify trends at different scales. These indicators are highly accurate, which means you can make informed decisions about when to buy and sell your assets. They are easy to use and understand, even if you're a beginner trader. They can be applied to any market, so you can use them no matter what you're trading. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn about these powerful indicators and take your trading to the next level. Be sure to watch this video until the end and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a like if you found it helpful. Looking to make a profitable trade? Follow these steps using the Darvas, Mavelim, and RVI indicators. First, ensure that the candle has closed above the blue line of the Darvas indicator. Next, verify that the price is above the Mavelim line and the line is green. If both of these conditions are met, execute a buy order at the close of the candle. To protect yourself, set a stop loss below the nearest swing low. For taking profit, wait until the RVI green line crosses downwards over the red line. If the lines cross but the trade is still running in loss, wait for the next cross. When the RVI green line crosses downwards over the red line again, and if the trade is already running in profit, close it. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of making a profitable trade. How to place a sell order. Follow these steps using the Darvas, Mavelim, and RVI indicators. To begin, make sure that the candle has closed below the yellow line of the Darvas indicator. Next, confirm that the price is below the Mavelim line and the line is red. If both of these conditions are met, execute a sell order at the close of the candle. To safeguard your trade, set a stop loss above the nearest swing high. When it comes to taking profit, wait until the RVI red line crosses downwards over the green line. If the lines cross but the trade is still running in loss, wait for the next cross. Once the RVI red line crosses downwards over the green line again and the trade is already running in profit, close it. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of making a profitable trade. Let's take a look at some real-life examples of how to use the Darvas, Mavelim, and RVI indicators to execute profitable buy and sell orders. In this scenario, we see that the candle has closed above the blue line of the Darvas indicator. Additionally, we confirm that the price is above the Mavelim line and the line is green. With these conditions met, we can place a buy order at the close of the candle. To minimize risk, we set a stop loss below the nearest swing low. To maximize profits, we wait for the RVI green line to cross downwards over the red line. If the lines cross but the trade is still in loss, we wait for the next cross. Once the RVI green line crosses downwards over the red line again and the trade is already running in profit, we close it. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of making a profitable trade. To increase your chances of a profitable trade, follow these steps. Check that the candle has closed below the yellow line of the Darvas indicator and that the price is below the red Mavelim line. Place a sell order at the close of the candle and set a stop loss above the nearest swing high. Wait for the RVI red line to cross downwards over the green line to maximize profits. If the lines cross but the trade is still in loss, wait for the next cross. Once the RVI red line crosses downwards over the green line again and the trade is in profit, close it. I hope you have understood this explanation. If not, please leave a comment and we will try to answer as soon as possible. Here, we verify that the candle has closed below the yellow line of the Darvas indicator and that the price is below the red Mavelim line. Place a sell order at the close of the candle and set a stop loss above the nearest swing high to secure the trade. Wait for the RVI red line to cross downward over the green line to increase profits. If the lines cross while the trade is still in loss, wait for the next cross. Close the trade when the RVI red line crosses downward over the green line again and the trade is profitable. Here, we confirm that the candle has closed above the blue line of the Darvas indicator and that the price is above the green Mavelim line. Place a buy order at the close of the candle and set a stop loss below the nearest swing low to minimize risk. Wait for the RVI green line to cross downward over the red line to increase profits. If the lines cross while the trade is still in loss, wait for the next cross. Close the trade when the RVI green line crosses downward over the red line again and the trade is profitable. It's time to do the backtest to see how this strategy performs. After conducting 100 backtested trades on the Bitcoin USDT pair using a 15-minute time frame and a variable risk to reward ratio, we can report that it took a total of 81 days to complete the testing. The results of these trades were quite positive overall, with 77 winning trades and 23 losing trades, resulting in a 77% success rate. One of the key metrics we tracked during these trades was the maximum consecutive winning trades and the maximum consecutive losing trades. During the testing period, we saw a maximum of 22 consecutive winning trades and a maximum of 2 consecutive losing trades. This highlights the stability and consistency of the strategy being tested. The overall gain on the account after 100 backtested trades was 122.9%. However, when applying a leverage of 10 times, the gain on the account increases to a significant 1,229%. This further emphasizes the potential of the strategy being tested. To further illustrate the performance of this strategy, we have provided a chart showing the evolution of the account during the testing period. As you can see from the chart, the account steadily increases in value throughout the testing period, with only a few minor setbacks. In conclusion, the outcome of these 100 backtested trades was quite positive and the strategy being tested has shown potential for success. However, we are always open to suggestions and improvements. If you have any thoughts or ideas on how to further improve the results of this strategy, please leave your opinion in the comments section. We will carefully read and analyze all comments, and if we see that the strategy can be enhanced by adopting your suggestions, we will produce a video in which we will give due credit to the person who improves the results. Are you ready to take your trading to the next level? Introducing the ultimate combination of technical indicators, the Darvas Box, Mavelum, and Relative Vigor Index, proven to deliver exceptional results in both the cryptocurrency and forex markets. These indicators will give you the edge you need to make informed decisions and maximize your potential for success, especially when used on the 15-minute time frame. Don't just take our word for it. Experience the power of these indicators for yourself and see the results. And when you do, be sure to share your success with others by subscribing to our channel and sharing the video. Your support helps us create even more valuable content just like this. We also value your feedback and comments on the video, as it helps us understand what topics you find most useful and interesting. And if you have your own trading strategies that you'd like to share, we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment on the video and we'll be happy to test and evaluate them. In conclusion, thank you for choosing CryptoTrade and for supporting our channel. We are committed to bringing you even more valuable content in the future and continuing the conversation about how to unlock your trading potential. Don't forget to check out our other videos and stay up to date on the latest trading strategies and techniques. Happy trading!